Good morning, my dear students of class 5, and welcome back to our English class. Today we proceed for the English grammar. Now we would be starting from the subject and predicate. We all know that a sentence consists two parts, subject and predicate. The name of the thing or people we spoke about is called subject. But when we say about the subject is called predicate. All time you must remember a predicate must contain a finite verb. Please look at the board. Kalyan wrote an essay. Boys are playing football. Here Kalyan is subject, wrote an essay, predicate. Boys subject are playing football. Okay students? Now transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. Already you have learned a verb which has an object is called the transitive verb. A verb which has an object is known as transitive verb. Please look at the board. Raj ate an apple. Number 2, he drives a car. Number 3, I shall sing a song. Here, apple, car and song are objects of the verb ate, drives, shall sing. So, transitive verb all time carry a object. What is object? When the subject of a verb acts, action affects another person or thing, that is somebody and something different from the subject is called the object of the verb. All time you will remember, here subject is Raj, he and I, and object is apple, car and song. Here apple, car and song are different from the subject itself. So you will remember transitive verb has an object. Okay, understood? Now move on. Intransitive verbs are verbs which does not have an object is called intransitive verb. Again I am telling, a verb which does not have an object is called intransitive verbs. Look at the board. I have written 3 sentences. The man looks ill. Number 2, Nitin became a doctor. Number 3, the car will be driven. Underlines words are intransitive verbs. Okay? Dear students, now move on exercise. Page number 19. I am starting from the number 7. Number 7, these dishes have been cooked by my sister. Here the have been cooked verb, dishes subject. This is an intransitive verb. Number 8, we shall never forget your kindness. Here shall forget is verb, we subject, kindness object. This is a transitive verb. Number 9, Ravina purchased some vegetables from the market. Here purchased verb, Ravina subject, vegetables object. That's why this is a transitive verb. Number 10, the chapters has your new chapter taught you, has taught verb, teacher, subject, chapter, object. So this is a transitive verb. What is the sentence? The blue sea sparkled in the sun. Here sparkled verb, sea subject, and this is an intransitive verb. Number 12. The match was won easily by our team. Here was on the verb, match is subject, and this is also intransitive verb. Number 13. Why have you not polished your shoes? Here have polished verb, you subject, shoes object, that's why it is intransitive verb. Number 14. The snake slid into a hole. Slid is verb, snake is subject, that's why this is an intransitive verb. Okay? I think you have understood the transitive verb and intransitive verb. Dear student, this is a revision class. I hope you will study in your home properly. Thank you, students.